Pavco's Merlin Alkaline Zinc plating process provides excellent efficiency, high temperature tolerance, and ultra-bright deposits for high production applications. The sodium or potassium hydroxide concentration in the Merlin Alkaline Zinc plating solution helps carry the current and dissolve zinc anodes, so it is important to maintain the recommended concentration. Regular addition should be made based on the following analytical procedure. Using a volumetric pipette, transfer a 5 milliliter bath sample into a 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask and add 25 milliliters of distilled or deionized water. Then add 5 drops of Kocher indicator PTH and mix the solution thoroughly. Titrate with Kocher N92 until the solution changes from pink to a clear endpoint. The number of milliliters of the N92 titrate used is equal to the concentration of sodium or potassium hydroxide in solution. For example, if it took 20 milliliters of N92 to achieve a clear endpoint, then the sodium or potassium hydroxide concentration is 20 ounces per gallon. JSA is proud to represent Pavco Chemical Products. For technical questions or to purchase Kocher reagents, visit us online at jsamc2.com or call our office. And thanks for watching.